Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Hibiscus. It's a new lifetime deal on AppSumo and it's a tool by which you can generate high quality PDF reporting and it will provide you JSON API. That means even if you shared your PDF to others, then you can change this PDF or you can change the data of your PDF through the API. So these are the things, and if you scroll down, then they're saying that it's best for devs or developers, marketers, and data analysts. But if you're a marketer and you don't know code, then this tool will not work for you basically. So you need little bit coding knowledge basically to use this tool. And don't worry, they have the complete documentation about this coding. So these are the things, and they're saying Hibiscus is a developer friendly API that lets you easily create high quality branded PDF report without any design skill. So if you don't have any design skill, but if you have little bit developer skill or coding skill, then this tool is for you to generate high quality PDF. So these are the things. Now if you see their lifetime deal pricing from here, then they are offering you up to license tier 2. License tier 1 pricing is 59 USD and license tier 2 pricing is 149 USD. And as you can see, these are the limitations, or these are the features that you will get when you will get these license tiers basically. And I think for most of the people, this license tier 1 is enough, but if you need more, you can get the license tier 2 also, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing guys. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount link. Anyway guys, now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Hibiscus and let's explore what have inside their dashboard. But before that, one thing I want to mention guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. If you are interested to join such group, which is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on market, you are cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now, this is the dashboard that you will get whenever you will log in or whenever you will sign up on Hibiscus, and the dashboard is very minimal. See, here I have home option, docs, pricing, cloud editor and API option, and this cloud editor is basically the most necessary feature of this tool. So we'll explore this cloud editor feature at first, then we will explore other features. So if I click here on this cloud editor, see here I have been created one PDF already just to show you. So see, this is the PDF. Now see, these are the coding, and according to your coding here on this right hand side, these things will be changed. And see, here are example.com, and then if you want to change this text or this domain, then just change from here. Suppose I'm changing it to passivern.com. See, these are my text. Now I have changed this text from here, but this text from here on this PDF has not been changed. Why? Because I have to click here on this generate button. And one thing to mention guys, whenever I'll click here generate button, this number of reports will decrease. That means for every click, this number of report will decrease. And if you go to the lifetime deal pricing of this Hibiscus, and from here as you can see, here I have 5000 single page reports per month and 2500 multi-page reports per month on license tier 1. That means suppose I have been changed this text from example.com to passivern.com, and here if I want to change it, then if I click here generate, then this 49 will decrease to 48. So suppose I'll click here generate, and see the PDF is generating according to this coding, and see this is the new PDF. So see, here is passivern.com. So in this way your credit will be calculated. See here the number of report is now 48, which was 49 before that. So these are the things guys. So you have to edit all the things basically from here, and then you have to click here generate, and then you can use the maximum possibility or maximum feature of it basically. So these are the things. Now you can change all these things basically from here. If you see here have the typography, different types of typography they are available. There have icon, there have different types of color, so you can change all the things from here. Suppose I'll change this 987 views, these things. So if I search from here, where is this 987? let me check where is this 987. This is 987. So suppose I'll make it maybe 101, and then here have the text unique views. So see, there have the text unique views, and here have the views option, and here have the views option. So you can change all the things. Suppose I will change these views to subscriber. That means 101 subscriber. Now if I click generate, then this text will be changed. So I'm clicking here generate, and let it be generate. See here, 101 subscriber. So in this way you can change almost everything from here. You can change the color also from here. You can change typography, you can change the icon. So these are the things, guys, but the prerequisite is you need to have little bit coding knowledge to use this tool, guys. So I hope you get the idea about this tool, and you can change basically all the things from here. And this is a single page PDF. See, this is basically a single page PDF. And if you go to the lifetime deal pricing, from here you can create 5,000 single page reports or PDF, and 2,500 multi-page reports using license tier 1. So these are the things, guys, here. And see, here have give feedback option, so you can send the feedback to the developer. And then there have option, you can copy as code, you can copy report URL, also you can view previous report from here. So these are the things. You can generate PDF report from here by clicking on this generate button. So I hope you get the idea, guys, about this tool. The tool is really amazing to create high quality PDF, but the thing is you need to know little bit coding. So these are the things, guys. Now I'm going back and I will explore what are the other features that they are offering you. See, here have API. So if I go to this API section, let me go to this API section. See, here are the all instruction about the API and what you need to do. All the instruction here available. See, this is the build report, generate report preview, and then get task status, get report. See, the coding are changing. Then get remaining code, get task. So these are the things, guys. You have to use these things. Basically, if you are a developer or if you have developer, definitely you or your developer know what these things are. So these are the things. Now I'm going back from here, and then see, here have API key. So you can use this API key also from here. If I go to this API key section, see, here is the API key. You can delete the API key, you can generate new API key just by clicking here create a new API. So these are the things. I hope you get the idea. So you can use the API key to update your information of your PDF basically using this tool. After that, there have option for instructions. See, there have API documentation, and there have developer API documentation. So if I go to this API documentation from here, see, this is basically the API documentation, and here have all kinds of documentation or instruction that you need to use this tool basically. And here have their roadmap, what's new, and here have the API documentation, endpoints, authentication documentation, rate limiting documentation, and how you can create or how you can develop your eye-catchy PDF. Here have the instruction how you can create a section. So if I go to this section option, see, here are the instruction how you can create a section on your PDF. And then here have the instruction for how you can create a row, how you can create a table, how you can create a card, image, text, line chart, bar chart. See, these are the things, guys. So if I go to this bar chart, suppose you want to create a bar chart, just click here bar chart, and then see, here are the instruction to create a bar chart. Just go through this instruction, then you can create an eye-catchy bar chart for your PDF. See, these types of bar chart you can create for your PDF basically. And after that, here have some another instructions. See, these are the premium component. You can create donut ring, line chart, bar chart, a horizontal bar chart, and also progress bar from here. So these things, and to use this premium components, you have to get the lifetime deal from AppSumo basically, or you have to get the premium model or premium pricing. So I think if you need, guys, these types of tool, then getting the lifetime deal of Hibiscus from AppSumo will be the good decision, because you don't need to purchase or you don't need to pay to Hibiscus every single month if you get this lifetime deal, and the pricing is also very reasonable. So I think if you need this type of tool, guys, for your business or for your personal growth, you can get this tool. And another thing I want to show you that their roadmap. If I go to this roadmap from here, let me go to the roadmap of Hibiscus. See, this is their roadmap, and from here you can see what are the features that will be available in near future. So snippets, tabs, download as JSON, page number, charts, SDK, Python SDK, searchable documentation. These things will be available in future. So I hope you get the idea, guys. If you think you need this tool, then you can get this tool. I'll give the link of Hibiscus lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the lifetime deal of Hibiscus, and you can get at least 10% discount, guys. Just go to the description of this video. It's an affiliate link. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful for you guys, then please consider using this link. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.